Stand up, blow the bitches with it. She's so sick, and she's coming and don't accept it. Go down on the politics, yeah. Show. Give it hoes, better than this.